On Tuesday, 1st of October, one boat was carrying over 300 people in a river in Niger State. Now, so the boat capsized. As I talk to you, so the number of people when they lost, we don't know. We hear from the news say, okay, rescue agencies were able to rescue about 150 people. But come on, 150 people from 300 people. Another 150 people they lost. As I talk to you, they don't at least see 60 body weight up by already from inside the river. Now be say the boat even capsized, now they pain me. Now the way the boats be, I don't know how people take that kind of boat and they expect say the boat no capsize. Let me show you the news. I will show you the video. Watch this.
And schools are feared after a boat carrying over 300 passengers capsized at the notorious Bajibo River in the local government area of Niger State on Tuesday evening. A statement by the press secretary to the council chairman of the Mokwa local government, Mr. Abubakar Dankani, explains that the boat carrying over 300 passengers was traveling from Mundi to Bajibo for the annual Maulud celebration when tragedy struck. The release also confirms that the council chairman, Mr. Abdullahi Muregi, acknowledged the recovery of approximately 60 bodies, while 10 survivors have been found. It also adds that rescue efforts in collaboration with the State Emergency Management Agency and locals are ongoing to recover others who are still missing.
Now let me show you the boat itself. See how? See boats we carry. See human beings. See them. See them. And they expect the boat no capsize. See crowd on a boat or you're long. Some even stand. All these are our northern brothers. Can you imagine this? Wow, this kind of big river. You know, the problem with this our northern brothers here, they are not educated. They don't know that they are not educated. They don't want to be educated. If you try to educate them, they will be angry at you. And when you leave them, say, when you educate yourself, they will fight you. They will tell you Western education is a crime. That's it cause Boko Haram be that. How can this number of people enter a locally made boat without life jackets, overcrowded, and they are wearing kaftan? Even if you know how to swim, that kaftan you wear, you don't lose one O. And for this to happen now, so that they do it normally. Now the one happen now we they talk about so. We can use federal money to take care of them. Money we suppose to move forward. We can use that to take care of people when stupidity now they are sunny because now madness with this one now. Now madness with this. Why do they like moving in crowds? Safe? Why? Anything that they enter in a crowd, that they enter truck, they call Lagos. You'll see hundreds of people inside one lorry. They call Lagos from the north. And you cannot direct them, you can't teach them, you can't tell them what to do. This. Imagine schools where good luck Jonathan built for them. It's one of the reasons they were angry and they voted against him. You are those schools today. May we help una be better person? Una say no. Oh, your mona leave us will be better person? Una say no. So everybody must be like them. And then we blame government. I'm not blaming government for this one. I'm not blaming government. La. You not get government want to. Regulate. Will we regulate the brains of people? Okay, well, we go blame government. And government I not going to educate them. But the man will try to educate them, might end up